Mother road, God a road. And as a man as my brother. You see that Thursday might catch a right at the bottom of the pile, you know. But you see if I bottom of the pile there, and you know the underneath the pile, you're still at a safe place. There's only one place left, brother. If God not decide to put you underneath the pile, is up. Let's get up off of your feet, brother. Clean up yourself. Get a hold of yourself. And get up for your prayer them. And get up for your work. Get up for using the two hand them, my youth. And I can tell you, say, yo, you're going to see light at the end of the tunnel. You're not underneath the pile, man. You're good. You're great, man. And some man with money right now underneath the pile, you know. You know, wake up this morning.